Today we will discuss about 3D coordinate system for JEE mains. In this video, I will discuss about the overall important points about this 3D coordinate system. Let us consider coordinate system. Here I drawn the coordinate system x, O, x dash. Here O is origin. Now see this line x, O, x dash is called x-axis. Then y, O, y dash is called y-axis. Then z, O, z dash is called z-axis. X, Y, Y, Z, Z, X. These are coordinate planes. And these planes are mutually perpendicular. So in this, coordinate planes are xy plane, yz plane, zx plane. These system of coordinate axis is called rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. Now we discuss about coordinates of a point in space. Now I will take a point in this space, and before going to that we have one origin. That origin is coordinates of the origin are origin. So for origin, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0, z coordinate 0. Now suppose I am taking a point in the first quadrant. Suppose I am taking first quadrant. So in the first quadrant, suppose I am having x, y, z. So I am taking here a point in the first quadrant. Next, suppose I am taking point lies on the x-axis. Suppose I am taking a point lies on the x-axis. Suppose a point P1 lies on the x-axis. So when it is lies on the x-axis means it has only x coordinate. It cannot touch the y, it cannot touch the z. So y coordinate 0, z coordinate 0 for P1 point. So what is coordinate of P1? So P1 lies on the x-axis. So we have x coordinate. But P1 does not lie on the y-axis. So y is 0. And P1 does not lie on the z-axis. So z also 0. It is P1 point. Suppose this point lies on y-axis. Let us consider P2. Means coordinates of P2 is P2 does not lie on the x-axis. So x is 0. P2 lie on the y-axis. So y present. And P2 does not lie on z-axis 0. So it is coordinate of P2. Next, for example, I am taking another point on z-axis. Let us consider P3. Now tell me, what is P3 now? It does not lie on x-axis, so 0. It cannot be on y-axis, 0. And it will be on z-axis. So the coordinates of P3 is 0, 0, z. Now tell me, what are the coordinate planes in this? How many? We have 3 coordinate planes. What are those? XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane. These 3 coordinate planes divide the space into 8 equal parts. That equal parts are called octants. So these planes divide equally the space into 8 equal parts. That is octants.